Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Hello, Chef here. Yet another knife review. Unboxing the Porsche. Ooh, look at that. Porsche. This is the utility knife. Wow, the packaging is sick. First of all, pure stainless steel, high carbon molybdenum German super steel right here, invisible weld, pearl. The little pearl tells your hand where to stop. Pretty cool. It's got a nice ergonomic feel and shape, very streamlined, just like the cars. Porsche. Type 301. Chroma. Grapes. Okay, I've selected a large grape for our test. Porsche knife. Let's see if it's going to cut the grape easily. Ah, we call this Napoleon of grapes. Yes, professional chefs around the world use the cutlery from Chef Depot. Check it out. Visit the sponsor. These things are wicked cool and razor sharp. Look at that Napoleon of grapes. Wow. While you're there, butcher block. If you've watched television, you've seen our butcher block. TV, movies, cooking shows. This is the best. Chefs prefer to chop on this rock maple. It's available in all different sizes and thicknesses, made in the USA. Free shipping and no tax. Check out the sponsor. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. Finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. Ready to apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife. Mystery oil. There's another product a little thicker that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay. And we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled. And I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. All right, so that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. And you're ready to continue your work or your prep or your cooking on this side. Oil this side about a week later or even the next day. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper. Give it a little scrape. Remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way, okay? This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.